Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make my DIY window planter boxes. First thing I did was measure and cut my boards to length. I like to measure it like this so that it's precise. After cutting them to length, put the wood glue on the end so that you can attach the end pieces. Whoa. Like so. Looks like I did figure it out. And there we go. Next, I drilled the screws in, the sides. And I did the same with the big one. I had some leftover screen we had laying around and decided to use that for the bottom. I just used the staple gun to staple the screen on the bottom. Then I used this exterior seal on them. Alright, and they are up. I have the bottom screwed into the planter box and the back is screwed into the side of the house. So refreshing. As you see, I went with the fake flowers. I'm not so good in the horticulture department. I need to add a little bit more mulch, but overall, I hope you liked watching this video. Please subscribe and thumbs up.